Come on over here, buddy. You want some food? Look at the reef pond now. It's nuts. This thing is baller, bro. Look at this. I mean, it's coming along. We have our little rat hunters here. Look at this grouper. I mean, that's stunning, bro. Look at those blue spots. What's going on, Cuffaros? I'm here. I'm inside the warehouse, and if you look behind me, these three shirts. The black, I'm addicted to buying fish. The white, I'm addicted to buying fish. And of course, the new one that I'm wearing right here, the My Guilty Pleasure equals buying fish t-shirts. All of them are signed, and over the last couple of weeks, y'all have been purchasing these, and they also come with an entry with your order number into winning a fully paid trip to Florida to come visit me and have a nice day at the PC farm and an additional day with an additional guest. I mean, it was an awesome opportunity. We've done it once before, and this time we sold 2,000 t-shirts. Look at the dang rack. The dang rack is empty. It's gone. There's like a couple shirts at the end. I mean, this is literally all we have left of the t-shirts. Is that not just crazy? All of these sold. I posted this video right here on my Instagram story. If you don't follow me on my social medias, that's where I announce the winners. All 2,000 purchase orders are put into a randomly generated software where the order numbers are selected. And right here, order number 4491 was selected. Catherine. Mac and Catherine, I'm very, very excited to meet you. We'll be in touch over text, and we'll just probably shoot for like January sometime that works a weekend.
Yeah, that sounds perfect.
Thank you so much, all right? I appreciate it. You have a great rest of your weekend.
Okay.
All right, bye-bye.
All right, thanks. Bye.
And the second winner, order number 4596, Amy.
Yeah, he woke up at like, I don't know, 6 o'clock this morning. Did Paul call you? Did Paul call you?
I'm so glad that you guys were chosen. 2,000 people in the raffle, so it's crazy that this random order number was selected. And where do you guys live?
We're in Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania. I'm very excited to fly them out and meet them. I mean, this is such a cool opportunity to be able to do this and share my life through this lens and have you come and visit and meet you. Shout out to Catherine and Amy. They both have younger sons, actually, that they're bringing, of course. They were the moms. Great mothers, supporting their kids' favorite YouTuber, I guess, and they luckily won. I thank you so much to all 2,000 and even the people that didn't buy the merch, that just watch these videos simply. I appreciate you living this life along with me, and I just want to say, mwah, I love ya. And let's get into today's video. Alrighty folks, what is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video. Last video, or one of my last videos, I had mentioned this fish we saw. Roll the clip. If you look in this back corner, look at that grouper, the saddleback grouper. That is a cool species right there. Could be something we can grow out probably fairly quick. I don't know if we should get that for the QT pot. Let me know in the comments. We can always come back and get it. That fish, the saddleback grouper, it had to happen, right? I asked you guys clearly all over the screen here, you wanted to see the grouper. So I looked it up online to see how big they get. Look at this grouper. I mean, that's stunning, bro. That is a beautiful species. I think it's only right we get these suckers and try to grow them out. Look at that thing. Are you kidding? That's crazy. So we're gonna grow them out, and we're getting 2 of them right now. We're hopping right into it today. There's zero hesitation, just intro straight to buying the fish. And then we'll get over to the house where we can put them in. And I'm excited for this, really excited for this. They've got a lot here. Big old test, a lot of eels. Powder blue over here, sailfin, everything you can think of. Then we're gonna talk about the guy walking around with a lizard on his shoulder. Is that a lizard over there?
There's a guy over there, lizard on his shoulder. I definitely got it on camera.
I'm excited for this, really excited for this.
Slip him into the bag. He's fired up.
Oh yeah. This is a grouper that gets 50 inches, folks.
So big.
This thing gets 50 inches. Holy, he's fast. There we go. All right. Flip him in. Check that out, folks. Oh my goodness. Saddleback grouper, and it looks just like oh, look at the blue spots.
They all have that really
Can we go to the light? Maybe you can see it better. Look at those blue spots.
That's crazy.
Wow. Very pretty grouper. I'm so excited to get that guy back home. And not only one, but there was one next to it as well. You can see the other one right here in the next tank. He's literally sitting right next to the other one. And although they're 170 bucks each, I gotta buy them both because one, my luck, God forbid something happens. One of them is actually a little bit skinny too, the one we're about to get. I just wanna be careful and have an extra backup just in case. So if they both do good and they both stay healthy, then we have 2 massive saddlebacks, which is just as cool. A saddleback grouper, also known as a footballer grouper, can reach a maximum length of around 49 inches. and weigh up to 53 pounds. 50 pounds, bro. That's like a bumblebee grouper. Except bumblebee can get way bigger, but I'm so glad we ran into these. We were obviously filming a nano video and came across this grouper. Y'all just love this dang stuff, so I had to do it. I had to do it. Saddleback, I'm so excited. 3 to 4 feet, bro. Like, that's gonna be mama sauce grande, you know what I'm saying? Got it. There he goes. And there it is. Numero dos. Beautiful blue spots on this guy. He's got even more blue spots than the other one. What's up with you and sniffing things? That's the air, that sound, just nothing better. No. Sorry.
He's gonna hurt himself one of these days.
Alrighty, folks. That right there, $400 and 2 groupers. Super excited to watch these guys grow. And guess what? The only way to watch them grow is get them home to the dang 400-gallon big old tub for QT. So this is a quarantine tub. What we're gonna do with this tub is essentially get fish at this size average, and we're gonna grow them out to then go into the predatory tub, and to then go into the 4,000-gallon predatory pond, and then get upgraded into the 5,500-gallon shark pond. So the stages at the PC farm now that we've grown, and we're growing. 2 big old saddleback groupers, bro. These things are epic, and we're heading home with them. We have a boat video coming out. We started this thing from scratch. I'm not even gonna show. What the f is that?
Is that the bright line?
Oh, the bright line, the train. Okay, I didn't know that was in the
close.
backyard. That was a little scary, I'm not gonna lie. Danny's been working on this boat. Look at our boat, 24-foot Seahawk, freshly painted. Hey, don't scratch the paint. This thing is baller, bro. Look at this. I mean, it's coming along. We repainted this. This entire thing was gutted. We've been filming from start to finish up to this moment. That'll be a video coming soon on the channel, not now. Eventually with just the center console and then a motor and we're done. But this thing looks sick. Possibly could have something to do with PC experiences where we'll be able to take you fishing or something. I don't know. This is all in the works, but the boat is gonna provide so much more crazy content that I never in a million years thought I'd ever have on this channel. So be ready for offshore videos of so many different sorts. And Danny, what do we have?
Got some live wells.
These live wells, big live wells. Are they in the back of your truck? Look at these things. These are gonna go in the boat so that when we go offshore, we catch stuff, we can literally bring the fish back to the house. That's the goal with this right here. So lots of crazy content, and I just wanted to tease you a little bit before I release the boat series video, which we gotta get a motor and a few more things, a couple more weeks, maybe a few months, and then that video will go live from start to finish, building this boat from very scratch. Can't wait to show you guys, soon to come. We did just buy groupers though, so this is a little pit stop. We gotta go now.
To my knowledge, it's not supposed to be.
Yeah, no, we're having trouble here, folks. We were just about to get back on the road. That bag is full of water.
There's not a fish in that.
Typically, there's no water in this bag.
Oh god, this one too. It's gonna be a pain in the butt to acclimate them. We gotta get these things out and into this bucket for the rest of the ride home. That is a beautiful, beautiful fish. Probably top 5 beautiful fish I've ever had in my pond room. All right. See you, Munchkin. There we go, guys. Meet each other. You're brothers or sisters, or brother and sister, or sister or brother. And oh, we're gonna have a pair. One of the 5, and we're gonna have these guys grow up together and get massive. 5 feet long. How big are they? 50 inches. How big is that? It's 4.5 feet. Wow. Woo!
You did math.
It's good. It's impressive for a dropout, right?
Great job, dropout.
You're supposed to come back down and hit again.
No.
That's okay. All right, folks, look at the colors on these groupers. By the way, we're back home at the farm. That is ridiculous. Now, I don't want to bother them too much, but I've got to at least pick it up and show you in the light. Look at that. Look at the colors on that thing. And they got teeth. That's ridiculous. Now, like I said, I gotta fatten these things up. I'm gonna feed them shrimp, I'm gonna feed them silver sides, all cut up. Try to get them fat and grow as much as possible so they can move over to the predatory saltwater pond, which we'll show you those in just a second. But the goal is to go, let's get these things massive, right? This is where they'll eventually go, which is gonna be, once they're big enough, they're a little too small right now. But as you can see, lots of really, really cool fish in here already. Lionfish, moonfish, panther grouper in the rock back there. This water is crystal clear. This right here is where they're gonna go. We've got some rock structure in there already. There's no sand, no need for the substrate in this really, especially once we do medication and stuff. So this right here is the 400-gallon QT pond that these fish, and probably some more soon, will be going into to then grow out. Super excited for this. Let me get the drip line. Right here. clear, same stuff you use for the aerator. Take one side, there we go. Take this end. Oop. Siphon mama, right there. Perfect. Once this is done dripping, we'll let this water pretty much double its volume, and then we'll put the fish into the pond. Alrighty, holy bright. Folks, while we wait for our, I can't even see you. While we wait for our fish to acclimate, we're gonna feed some animals. Look how big Duke's getting. Duke, you are getting massive, boy. You think that's food? Come here. It is beautiful out these last few days here at the farm. 60, 70 degrees, can't beat it. This is the best time of year. And the animals love it too. Here you go, guys. Just in the grass right now, or dirt right now, because this is not your main feeding. A little snack, all right? We got Lady May here. Good old Lady May, big old pig, my goodness. Mango's sleeping in the house. He's not gonna know that food even arrived this afternoon. We got our turkeys that somehow made it through Thanksgiving. Give them a round of applause. All right, I might have to kill him. I'm just kidding. But yes, Mango is sleeping. He's full on in a nap, but he wakes up very easily, so just... Mango! Come on over here, buddy. You want some food? I don't want you to miss the afternoon snack here. Come on, bud. And then I do this trim of their house. Spray the trim of their house. Just helps keep the flies away. Live on a farm, you know what I'm saying? But little Mango here just woke up from his nap. He's gonna eat his afternoon snack and then probably go back to napping. We have our little rat hunters here. Ever since I've got these two cats growing up, they have kept every bit of rats off of the property, very much so. But oh folks, I have such big news. This location, we have confirmed a cage build.
We do?
Confirmed.
Oh boy, I don't know this.
15 feet long, 5 feet wide, 7 feet high, metal, 1.5 inch space. It's gonna be absolutely insane. This cage was a down payment of a car.
Nice.
Yes, but thankfully we're working really close with the partner to make this, and it is going to be one of a kind. Hence why it is something you're not going to see often, but I really want to show you guys what you're capable of having even at your own house, because this is a company. They'll literally come and install the cage. Once we install it, you'll see what I'm talking about. It's going to be next level for whatever the heck animal we get for it. Planning as of right now, I would love to get a big pair of rhino iguanas. I don't know what we'll get, but this is the space. 15 feet long, 5 feet wide. We'll probably have to come into this a little bit, a couple inches, and give us some room, but I mean, this is going to be epic. Didn't mean to give so much and spill so much of the tea, but y'all know there's a lot going on here. Of course, we have all of our goats. These guys are the best, the best. We got little Baby, Boots, and Babe's been staying in here with them, and she's loving it. I mean, Babe this is their best friend now, so it's really, really cool. Goat enclosure. Of course, the landscape looks absolutely amazing as well. Hopefully you can see me. You're about to see me in a moment here. Ready, set, shade. Nice, awesome. Back into the building we go. Let's get these groupers in the pond. I just put the GoPro in the bucket to get a cool shot of them, and they're actually flexing on the GoPro. They're opening their mouth. They're being groupers, all right? They're aggressive species. It's now time to get these guys in. Saddleback groupers, adding into the QT 400 gallon, and we're gonna grow them out until they get big enough to go into the predatory pond. Let's do it. Trick is I just gotta get them. Oh my goodness, that yellow. Dude, that yellow with the blue? Wow. Let's see if he goes over to the rock. Hey, he's sitting right here, like right underneath us right now. Eventually he'll notice that there is a lot of structure in here in the center that he could very easily swim to. Now this little guy, I know he's gonna be crazier. I can just tell by his vibe. He's gonna be a little nutcase. Yeah, he's gonna go nuts when I get him out of the water. All right. Wow, the teeth on that thing. Look at the teeth. That thing is ready to bite. Woo! See you later, dude. The other one's gone. I think he found the structure. This guy's sitting on the edge. He'll eventually find the structure as well. There that is. And I've got a net. I came prepared. No BS happening this time. I have a net over this dang thing. I put a bunch of screws in, and then I've tightened the net around the entire top. These fish cannot jump out unless they physically jump perfectly through one of these squares. That would be crazy. My luck, it would happen. So now that our grouper are in here, I'd give you an update in a couple days, but we have so much amazing content being filmed at the moment. So this video is gonna go live. You guys will have to stick along, stay tuned. You'll see the growth of these two beautiful groupers on the channel. Just subscribe down below and turn the bell on, and you'll be notified every time I make a video. I try to incorporate as much as I possibly can with all the crazy projects going on. I mean, look at the reef pond now. It's nuts. It is really nuts to look at this thing from where we started and where it is now. There's every species you can imagine in this pond. There's so many different species in there. Then we have the predatory over here, 4,000 gallons. And what I haven't updated you on today yet is our shark pond. This thing is fully set up now. We're filled with water. We have our DIY filter that we might use. I don't know if we're gonna use it for sure. I have it there just in case. And if I do use it, I'll show you how to do it. We have our UV fully plugged in now. It's fully flowing, everything's flowing. This is awesome. We have a jack in here, a remora, and a horn shark as of right now. But we plan to get, of course, warning, keep out sharks, blacktip sharks, like massive sharks. I even hung my sign now that says shark warning. So things are coming together. Things are coming together. The grouper are here. I had an awesome time filming today's video. This was really fun because it was unexpected. We were actually out doing another video and came across these grouper and I had to get them for a predatory fish. As you can see, our grouper right there, literally sitting all the way at the bottom, and then the other one is right here behind the filter. You see them? So they're gonna be very nervous, hence why I'm closing it here, because as the days go on and as we feed them, hopefully they eat and everything goes swell, that's when they'll get comfortable, actually start coming up and swiping when they eat. It's gonna be awesome. Growing out these two saddleback groupers, just, yeah, tune into the videos, you won't miss it. Love y'all, thank you so much for watching, and like always, I'll see you right back here in the very next video. Peace!